Welcome guys, my name is Abdul Wahid and you are watching Nick Tech. Today we will see some hidden iPhone tricks. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribe it and also press the bell icon. Today video is going to be amazing, so watch full video and don't skip. So let's start today video without any delay.
The first trick I will show you: open photos, go open recent photos, and you can select the one photos dragged downside. Use another hand also like this. See, and close again. Open WhatsApp, Snapchat, drop anywhere and you can send. Also there are options.
Step: if you want to scan some paper, some documents, so no need to install any application, third-party application. Just go simple notes. There are one options. You can see the icon, camera, and scan documents. And you can take this picture automatically. This is in very good quality. See here. Done, and save it. After, you can see here, you can send anywhere by email, by WhatsApp, by drop chat, Snapchat, AirDrop, everywhere you can send it.
About the calculator, this one third tricks. See, now we open calculator, write number, but there is no option for delete it. Simply right swipe or left swipe, anything. This one deleted one by one. See, now this one delete all. Also there are second option.
Fourth tricks, this one. If you want to hide this one, so very simple, not available, but you can see also. If you go there, I will show you again. Options, here one options hidden. If you also you can see here this picture. If you want to also hide these options, simply go settings, right there photos, and also hide this application. Now you can see this application already removed here. So again, if you need this, so right again, show it in Google. This is the amazing Google. Click here Google, write about Gandhi ji. My internet is slow, so don't worry. See, if you want to take a screenshot, so better here one options in iPhone. Simply click here options, PDF, done, After save to files, save it here. Simply go there, Mahatma Gandhi, and you can see 146 pages. This one already saved, and see these qualities.